A quick note before the video. Sorry for not uploading for 1 month. I didn't spend the whole month editing this video. That's it, and enjoy. Hello, welcome back guys. Today in this video I'm going to unbox and review iPhone XR. So let's get started. Here's the box. First let me give you the box overview. There are Apple branding on the sides, as you can see, and a bunch of information on the back. The I have here is the 64 GB variant. So let's unbox it. First let me remove this plastic film. Now let's open the box. And at first here we get a section written designed by Apple California. Inside we get some stuff, SIM tool, user manual, no one reads, stickers, and here's our iPhone. We'll keep that aside for now. Check out what's in the box. You get a power adapter, slow charger by Apple always, and you also get earpods with lightning connector. And here's our data cable, also used for charging. Very nice quality. Now let's look at our main iPhone. It's in blue color. Let's open the cover and peel the cover. And here's how it looks like. As you can see, there is microphone here, a lightning port and speakers. Very shiny back. Of course it's glass. We also got mute switch. And here's the new camera. Let's get the mobile overview. I changed the camera. It was a blurry one. Let's talk about the camera. The iPhone camera, which is the XR, is using the same 12 megapixel wide angle camera as iPhone XS Max and X, which is a very great one. It's quality you can expect as the higher end models. Also got the LED flash. Let's take a detailed look at the accessories we get. So it's a power brick, slow of course, then it's USB type A, but XR has some good speeds with charging. Let's take a look at the earpods we get. Very long cable and very beautifully packed. Let me remove it. By the way, I bought this iPhone on the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. So if you want to buy, I give a link in the description. Check it out. So here are the AirPods are wireless, and we to get the lightning connector. Of course, the phone doesn't have an aux port, headphone jack. It connects very nicely, firmly. Now let's take a look at the cable we get. Also packed again nicely by Apple. Packaging is very good. And here's the cable, very good quality. Which is with Type A to Lightning. Overall, the phone is very good. Let's take a look at the SIM card tray the phone is having. It's very tight to open. It's great force. Then you get inside it, and here's the SIM card tray. I know you're thinking that XR is a dual SIM. Yeah, and it has only one port because the second is the eSIM it supports. Let's power it on. See what it has. Here's the Apple logo. Very nice feeling in hand, and here's hello. Then we get hola, and you get the hello word in different languages. You just need to swipe which language we have, but I'm showing all what it shows for you. And by the way, I will make a separate video about the iOS ones, the operating system of Apple. So if you like this video, hit the like button, dislike the dislike button, but don't share this video with your friends. Most importantly, subscribe my channel, and iPhone purchase link given in the description. And thanks for watching.